Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a hidden folder on Windows 10 on a PC or laptop. And if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So it's actually fairly easy to do this, and what we need to do is come to our desktop and right click. Then we want to come down and click onto new and then folder, and then I'm just going to call this example hidden, and this is going to be the folder we're going to want to hide. So to do this, what we need to do is right click, then we want to come down to properties. And then in this properties box, if you look at the bottom where it says attributes, there's actually a box there which says hidden. So if you go ahead and give that a click, and then click apply, and then we're going to click OK, and you can see that folder's been hidden. So if we actually want to bring that folder back, what we need to do is in the search box down here, we need to type File Explorer. We'll just type File and then click the File Explorer app. And then from here, what we're going to do is just click onto Desktop, where the folder was hidden on. And then we're going to come and click the File button up here in the top left-hand corner. Then what we want to do is click on this one, which says Change Folder and Search Options. And on the tabs at the top, if we click onto the View tab, and what we need to do is actually click, if you look here, there's one that says Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. If you go ahead and give that a click and then click Apply, and then click OK, and you can see that's now reappeared. It's back on the desktop. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.